Hey guys, it's Miss Irving here, and today we are building our little WeDo Milo the robot, or the rover rather. And Milo's probably my favorite thing to build because he's just so fun and there's so much cool stuff you can do with him. And the next couple videos are actually going to be us building and coding things on top of him that he can do. But for today we're just going to get to learn the basics of him. He is a little Mars rover. So I don't know if you've ever seen pictures, but when scientists want to learn about other planets like the moon and Mars, but they don't want to send up a person, or they use a robot or a rover that can explore the moon or Mars and learn more about it and give us information. So that is what Milo is here. And he is using something called gears, or he's using a type of gear. And if you were in class with us when we learned about simple machines, you would have learned about it. If you weren't in class, or if you just need a refresher, you can actually go watch those simple machine videos on our channel here and learn more about it. So this rubber band right here is working like a gear, connecting our motor to our wheels so that when this spins, our wheels spin too. And there is an axle running through here, connecting these two wheels so that they spin together. So I have put together some coding here, and we're gonna just run it and see what happens. Oh, there he goes. So let's talk about this coding. So let's us read it like a sentence. These are all blocks you should be familiar with because we talked about them in the recent lessons. So when we press play, our Milo the rover is going to move at a speed of 8. It's going to spin, or the motor is going to spin the wheels like this, which is forward in this situation. And then it's going to run for 2 seconds, and then it'll stop. So let's see what happens if we change some stuff around. I'm going to change the direction it's spinning in. So instead of spinning like this, we're going to spin it like that. Let's see what happens. Yep, it went backwards. Now let us change the time real quick. So instead of 2 seconds, we're going to have it running for 5 seconds. And we'll move it back this way. There he goes. All right, so that is Milo for you. I'm gonna repeat some stuff that I talked about earlier. The way he is working is with something that works kind of like a gear. This rubber band right here is how he moves. In the next couple videos, we are going to build onto him and make him do some really fun stuff. So for your building challenge for today, I want you to build your own or draw your own little Milo the Science Rover, something that can travel in outer space and explore other planets for us. So, see you next week, or day.